In this video, I'm going to walk you guys through everything you need to know about the All Document Reader or the One Read on Google Play Store. So this app is used for viewing PDF files and every format like PowerPoint and the rest, text and the rest. So you can use it to do a lot by editing. You can scan something to a PDF, you can convert your image to a PDF, and you can convert your PDFs also to an image. You can edit PDF files, you can or sign on files too using the app. I'm going to show you guys how to use this. It's very simple and easy. So now let's start with the tutorial. So just like you can see, when you download the app, you are going to see all your files you have. So currently they are saying I have 83 PDF files on my phone. I have 11 files which is in Word. I don't have Excel, I don't have PowerPoint, I have text, and then the directory is going to direct you to all the files you have, something like that. And now the tools I was talking about earlier. So with the tools, you can convert an image to a PDF. So to view a PDF file is simple. Let me tap on that. I think some people will say I didn't do that. So now let's try to open anything here. So there's a PDF file. So when you try to open a PDF file, this is how it looks like. Yeah. So this is certification. So now let me come back. That's how you open a PDF file. That's how you open a Word and the rest. So now let's move to the tools. I think the tools is very much important. So now let's try to do some edit and the rest. So the first one is an image to a PDF. So let me tap on that here and let's try to convert an image to a PDF. So let's say you have some images and you want to convert all of them into a PDF and make it into a slide. You can use this. So now let's tap on this to, sorry. I need to select them rather. No, I don't need this image. So there's three. So this is a code. So let's say I'm submitting a code and I need to have screenshotted, 3 of the pages. So now you can use auto crop or you crop it yourself. So I'm going to use the auto crop. Good. So now I'm going to wait for it to process itself, and we are done with that. It's here. So 3 pages, just like you can see, this, and this. So now to save it, what you need to do is you tap on the done here, and then with any of the pages, if it needs to be rotated, you can tap on this rotate here to rotate that page you are on. You get it. So yeah, that's it on how you can convert your images into a PDF file. It's very simple when you're using the app. Tap on the done to do that. Let me come back. I don't want to do that. Let me quit. Yeah. So now our second thing we are going to talk about in this video is we are going to scan something and turn it to a PDF, something like that. So now our camera is going to pop up. Good. So we have something like this. So now let me take a picture of this here. And now let's wait for it to load. After the loading, we can proceed to turn it into a PDF file. Good. So our scan is done. So just like we do always, we auto crop and then to next, and then we wait for it to process. Good. And this was the image I took, and yeah, this is how you can scan something and then turn it into a PDF. Simple and easy. You can rotate. If it was a lot of pages, you can rotate, and here you can even add effects. So it's going to change how the PDF is going to look like. Let's cancel. So after that, you tap on the done to save it. Now let's come back here. And from Word to PDF, so let's say you have a Word file and you want to convert it into a PDF. So you tap on that. You're going to get access to your Word files here. You get it, and then you convert it into a PDF, something like that. Good. And then if you want to edit your PDFs, I think this doesn't have a lot of features because it's a mobile app. Let me try opening any with this. Yeah. So here, let's say you want to color a PDF or highlight somewhere, so that someone reading will know that part is very much important. That's what you can do here. So with annotation, you can see the brush. The first one I tapped, selected, and I can to highlight. I think that's the special thing you can do here. And you can also sign. You can see I have a signature on here. You can add a new one by tapping on that. So I tap on my signature and I can drag it to any side of the screen I want to, and I can also make it smaller, something like that. Yeah. So that's it on how you edit PDF files too with the All Document Read app. So I'm going to discard that. I don't want to save this either. So now I go back to as well. So here I'm done with the edit. So a PDF to an image. I think this is also simple. It's very simple to do this. You come to this here. So these are the 3 pages. The PDF entails 3 pages. So now I select all the pages then. by tapping on this, and then I convert them into an image. So the image format, JPEG or PNG, you tap on the OK to convert them. It's free. Everything, and then you're done with this too as well. So now let's come back. Let me quit that. And also to add a text, it's just like the annotation I talked about. Let me just open for you guys to see. You select your PDF file, and then they tell you enter a text. I mean, when you enter the text, someone is going to know it's something different. The annotation I was talking about, I mean, it's not anything special. We've already talked about it already. So now let's go back with this too as well. Good. And then we move to the signature. So the signature, I think I talked about when we were doing the edit PDF, but then let me tap on it and show you guys. So I already have a signature here, just like I was talking about, but then I can tap on the add to add a signature. Good. And I save my signature. You can see this is the new one. I drag it to this side, and at the bottom I try to make it smaller, and I save it, and my signature will be added to that PDF or that file. Let me discard that too as well. I don't like it. I'm not going to use this for anything. Now let's come back. Good. So I think that's it. And to manage pages too, let's say you have a PDF file, but then the pages is not correct, the numbering is not correct. You can, try to edit it. Let's tap on that, and we select this. Good. Let me show you guys. So let's say this is the first page. So you want to make the 3 rather. So you long press on the 2 and you bring it here. Good. And now you proceed to save, and now it will be moving from this side to this side. So now you've changed the way your PDF file is going to appear, something like that. Now let's discard this too as well. Let's move back. And yeah, with the recycle bin, you are going to find everything you've deleted on the app, which is not anything special. Last 30 days, you're going to find everything you deleted there. And now let's move to our settings here. Good. So with the settings, you can keep your screen on if you are reading. This is very much important. This is an important feature. So let's say you're reading and your screen is going off, your timeout. You can, turn this on, and it's going to override your setting on your mobile phone. So in this case, your screen is not going to go off unless you turn it off, or you manually, press the side button or the back button to turn it off, something like that. And here with the file manager, it's going to direct you to your files on your mobile phone, and you're going to get access to all the PDF and the rest. And if you want to change the languages too, you can see language options too as well. You can change it to anything of your choice. And your theme, if you want a dark mode, tap on that. I don't know if the app is going to reach that. Good. It didn't reach that. Now let me move it to the light. System is going to be, I think during daytime, it will be light. During the night time, it's going to be dark, something like that. It's going to use your mobile phone's time. Good. So we are back here. So I think I've talked about everything you need to know about the OneRead Drive. So I did this video because this is one of the most downloaded apps, the trending apps on Google Play Store. I don't know whether it's on Apple Store, but then I'm using Android. So yeah, that's what I know. So this is one of the most downloaded apps, and definitely people are going to know or want to know how to use it. That's why I'm doing this video. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget, if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to do well to give you an answer. So now you know how to use the OneRead Drive. You can do everything with it. So that's it for the video. Peace.